Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you how to use the frog roll or the ends of the frog roll to build a super strong center. This is a neat movement. There's so much depth in the frog roll, and it's just such a good movement for you. And if you don't know what that is, it's simply sitting on the ground, looking over your shoulder, touching your same side, arm and leg, and then undoing it, and then coming back. So you look back around, touch same side, and let the leg pull you up. So that's the frog roll. Excuse me. But you can work the ends of it. And what I mean by that is, well, I'll show you. We're just gonna work this part. So if I turn back to you, I touch, and then I'm gonna untouch and come back. Turn back to you and touch, and then I'm gonna untouch and come back. And you wanna just kind of control the movement. Touch. So we're not doing the entire frog roll. It's kind of like half the frog roll or the end of the frog roll. And you do this enough. You don't have to do it super slow, but you just let that leg pull you up. You do this enough, and enough just meaning a little bit, and you're gonna start to feel all this wonderful action through here. Now that's the top end. You can also work the bottom end. How you doing? So we can work it from here too. I can look, touch, and then undo it. Look, touch, and then undo it. Now here you do kind of want to make sure you really control, because you don't want gravity to throw you into the ground. And this is part of the cool part of the frog roll, is owning this part right here. If you want to put a little more oomph into it, as you separate that touch, you just really lengthen out that leg, and that leverage creates a little bit more torque on your center, turns a little bit more things on, feels really good. And so we're just working the ends of the frog roll. Anyway, simple tip, some great movement, so much depth to be found in the frog roll. Just try working the ends, and make sure you touch, make sure you control the movement, make sure gravity's not just throwing you down on the ground, but just work the ends. And again, you'll really feel, it turns on a lot of good things in your center, and you're still using your eyes and your head, and you get good proprioceptive tactile stimulation with the touch. That's good for your brain too. Touching yourself is good for your brain. And then you're just working the ends. So the whole frog roll is here, which is one of my favorite ways to roll. And then we can just work the ends here. And if you wanted to, you can stay on one side for a while, but you don't have to. Anyway, give that a shot. Let me know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength workshop. Visit originalstrength.net. To train with Tim, go to osi-online.com.